Hey friends, I'm here with a look at the Silky F180 saw. It's interesting branding there. Basically, this is what I view as the main competitor to the Bahco Laplander. They're very similar in blade size, but the handle's a little bit, well, actually it's pretty close. It looks longer when you hold it up here, but right on top of one another. Very, very similar in size overall. So the Silky has a grippier overmold here on the back, whereas the Bahco is kind of completely surrounded by that rubber overmold, but it's a little smoother. And it's just got these kind of hashes in there for grip. The mechanism is a little different. You have the push button release on this one, and this is the back lever like they use on all their mechanisms. Has the same problem that my Bahco does, where the blade wants to go to the left over here when it's closed. Both have captured pivots, so you can adjust the tension. They're on opposite sides, but it doesn't matter. Look at the teeth. The F180 is a Japanese pull saw, so it cuts differently, whereas this is a front and back push and pull stroke saw. So I like the fact that it's uncoated, and I feel like the blade's a little thicker, a little more stout, and I think they do a good job of dealing with the kerf on their saws as well. So cuts very, very well. I'm gonna grab a piece of wood here and I'll just do a little demonstration. Just use the same trusty board that we use for everything around here. As you can see, it's pretty aggressive. Sorry, hitting the camera there, but pretty quick cut, and that's not even really working at it very hard, just kind of gently doing it, trying not to hit the camera. So it's a great little saw. I love this thing. This works really well, very comfortable in the hand. These little swells are all right. I think it actually makes it very comfortable. And one thing just to note, you can just pull this out. You don't have to do this to release it, whereas the Bahco locks in the open and closed positions with that button lock. So there you go. How does this compare to the big brother, the Gomboy? I mean, they're size-wise much smaller, a little more compact, and you can still do the changed angle as well, like you can on the Gomboy. So there you go, Silky F180. It's a great little compact folding saw.